This video is intended to assist you with using the Telog Instruments USB to serial adapter. The USB to serial adapter is used in computers that do not have serial ports but do have available USB ports. The USB to serial adapter is used for direct connect local communication with any Telog Instruments recorder. Before using the USB to serial adapter, we must first install the proper driver. The driver can be found on the CD that was supplied with the USB to serial adapter. In order to install the driver, we must double-click on the installer. Some computers will ask you if it's okay to install this driver on your computer. If you receive a prompt like this after double-clicking the installer, please click Yes. After double-clicking and we receive this screen, we will hit Next to start the install process. The installer will now unpack the files into the correct location, making our USB to serial adapter usable. It is not possible to use the USB to serial adapter without installing the driver. Once the driver has finished installing, we will see this window. Please click Finish. We can now minimize this window, and we will check the device manager to ensure that our USB to serial adapter driver has been installed correctly. I will now plug in my USB to serial adapter into my PC. Notice the device manager refreshes, and we now have a ports menu. Expanding the ports menu will show this prolific USB to serial COM port, COM3. COM3 will be the COM port that we will choose in our Teloggers for Windows or TCC software when we enable local communication. I can now minimize the device manager, and please double-click on the Teloggers for Windows or TCC icon on your desktop. It is important to connect all cables to the Telog recorder and the computer before opening Teloggers for Windows or TCC. Once the software has opened, please go to Setup, down to Options, click the Communications tab, and notice Enable Local COM in the upper left-hand side corner. This box next to Enable Local COM must be checked, so please place a check in the box. Underneath, we will notice Local Port, and we can expand this window. COM3 is available. COM3 is available on my PC because that is the port where my USB to serial adapter is plugged in. You may have your USB to serial adapter plugged into a different port on your computer, but rest assured, whatever COM port was viewed in the device manager is the correct COM port to select here in the Telog software. After selecting the correct COM port, please click Apply and Close. You are now ready for local communication with any Telog recorder. Thank you for watching this video.